Hello students, I hope that you are good, well and fine. Today we will be seeing NCERT exercise 4.4 solutions. Okay, so let's right jump to our first question of this exercise 4.4. Clear? So first question says that we have to find adjoint of each of the matrices. So very easy. So adjoint of 2 cross 2 matrices. Okay, if A is your 2 cross 2 in this form A11, A12, A21, A22, then its adjoint you can directly find with this thing. So just interchange the main diagonal positions A22, A11. Now put minus sign to the remaining untouched entries like this 1, 2 and minus 2, 1. That's it. You will get your what? You will get your adjoint of it. Okay, simple. This thing came from where the cofactors and the minor from the minors thing. Okay, in general, adjoint of A means that in case of 3 cross 3, okay, or in case of 2 cross 2 also I will be providing you. So in case of 2 cross 2, it is just nothing but you first have to find these cofactors, and after finding these cofactors you have to transpose it. Okay, then you will get your adjoint of A. In case of 3 cross 3, you have to find the cofactors like this and put it in a array or in a matrix form, in this form 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3. Okay, and then transpose it, then you will get your adjoint of it. Okay, in this case you have a nice form or simple way to write it directly, your adjoint of A in 2 cross 2 matrices. Okay, so we will be using this. So here adjoint of this given matrix 1 2 3 4 will be just interchange the main diagonal positions 4 1 and put minus sign to the remaining position. This will be your adjoint of. Okay, simple. Okay, now for this also you have to do in this 3 cross 3 you have to go by your conventional way, means you have to evaluate the cofactors and everything and then transpose it, or directly adjoint of this A. If this is your A matrix, then it will be, I'm directly saying that A11, A12, because after transpose your adjoint will look like this: A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That's it. Now let us find A11. Okay, so A11, A12, A13. Clear? So let me make some more space here. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now you all know minus 1 power 2, 1 plus 1 means even. Even means you will have plus sign. So first of all, let us give a plus sign, signs: odd, minus, even, plus. How we are saying odd and even? You have to just add these. Okay, so 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 3 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 1 3 means minus. Even, if you find even, put plus. If you find odd, put minus. Even, odd, even. Okay, clear? Now what? Now this will be M11, M12 minus M13, M1, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. Now how you find a minors? Quite simple, just eliminate first row first column. So eliminate first row first column, then find the or evaluate the determinant of the remaining matrix. So 3, it will be 3. Okay, now for this will be minus of remove eliminate first row second column, first row second column. Now 2 minus of minus 10, this will be 2 plus 10 means 12. Okay, 12. Simple. 12. Now eliminate first row, third column. Okay, so 0, 0 minus of minus 6 will give me plus 6. So plus 6. Okay, simple. Okay, now what about M21? This will be eliminate second row and first column. Now minus 1, minus 1, minus of 0, you will have minus 1, minus of 1, and this minus 1 and this minus will give you just 1. Okay, M22, eliminate second row and second column. So 1 minus minus 4 will give you 1 plus 4, which means 5. So 5. Okay, 5. Now what? Now M23 means eliminate second row and third column. M23. Okay, this means 0 minus of 2. This means minus 2, and we already have minus, so this means plus 2. Okay, simple. Now for remaining, you have M31. Eliminate third row and first column. Okay, so minus 5 minus 6. Yes, minus 5 minus 6, you will have minus of 11. So this means minus of 11. Okay, now M32 means third row and second column. Now 5 minus 4 will give you just 1, and we already have minus, so minus 1. Now eliminate third row, third column. Now 3 minus of minus 2 will give me 3 plus 2 means 5. So 5. Okay, 5. Now just put their respective entry to their respective position. So A11, 3 minus 12, 6, 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1, and 5. This will be your adjoint of A. Okay, please do verify if I somehow made any mistake. Okay, clear? Okay, let us move next. Now here we have to verify that adjoint of A is same as adjoint A multiply adjoint of A, same as adjoint of A multiply A, which is same as this. Okay, simple. Let us do. So if this is A, then in 2 cross 2 you can directly find your adjoint. You all know that interchange the main diagonal position and put minus sign. So this will be this. Now A multiply with the adjoint of A. Okay, so A means 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6 multiply with minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. And this will be, as you can see, this going to multiply with this. You will have minus of 12 plus of 12. Yes. As you can see, minus of 12 and plus of 12. Okay, this will be 0. This will be 0. Okay, so far so good. Now multiply with this. Minus of 6 and plus of 6, still 0. Now going to multiply with this. My plus 24 and minus 24 will give you 0. Plus 12 minus 12 will give you 0. So 0 matrix. Now if you do, now we will find adjoint of A multiply with A. Okay, so far so good. This will be what? As you can see, this going to multiply with this. Minus 12 plus 12 means 0. Okay, minus 18 plus 18 will give you 0. Now this going to multiply with this. 8 minus 8 will give you 0. 12 minus 12 will give you 0. As you can see, this is indeed equal to each other. These indeed equal to each other. Okay, so this means we verified this part. Okay, now what about determinant of A multiply with I? As you can see, first of all, let me just find out the determinant of A. As you know that here this row 1 and this row 2, as you can see, row 2 is just nothing but -2 multiply with row 1. Yes, so this means whenever we have this thing happening, or one row is a multiple of another, then the determinant will give me 0. So this means determinant of A will be 0, and this will be what? 1001 will give me what? 0 matrix. Okay, so we verified. As you can see, this is 0 matrix, this is 0 matrix, and this is also 0 matrix. All are together equal to each other. Okay, clear? Or if you want to directly evaluate by just using the concept, a determinant of this matrix, you will find that -12 minus of -12 will give you -12 plus 12 means 0. Or if you know the property, you can directly say that it is 0. Okay, so what property I am talking about? Whenever we have a matrix, and in that matrix, if you find any row is a multiple of another row, or any column, you can also see any column is a multiple of another column, then the determinant will be 0. As you can see, this C1 column and this C2. If you multiply C1 column with 2, sorry, no, I think columns are not what? Multiple of each other. Here rows are. Okay, so if you find any one of them, row or a column, doesn't matter, you will eventually get your determinant equal to 0. Okay, easy. So we verified it. Let us move to next, in which we are going to deal with 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now now what? Now same, if this is A, you have to find out the adjoint of A. To find the adjoint of A, we have to find the cofactors. Okay, so adjoint of A, I will be directly writing, it will be what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. After doing transpose, you will get this. Now I'll be finding quickly these entries. So A11 will be M11, A12 will be minus M12, A13 will be plus A13, M13. Let me use here. So A21, A23, sorry, A21, A22, A23. This will be what? Minus M21, M22, M23. Now here A31, A32, A33. This will be what? M31, M32, M33. As you can see. Now M11, eliminate this, you will get 0. M12, okay, M12, so 3 minus, so this will be 9, minus of -2, this will give you 9 plus 2 means 11. Okay, so far so good. Now what? Now eliminate this, you will have 0, still 0. Okay, so far so good. This and this, you will get -3. So minus, we already have -3 means plus 3, plus 3. Okay, now M22, M22. Okay, so 3 minus 2 will give you 1. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Now 2, 3, 0 minus 1. So 0 minus of -1 will give you 1, and you will have eventually minus of 1. Okay, please be careful with the signs. Okay, to finding, or whenever you find adjoint of A, please be careful with these signs and the signs with determinants. Okay, M3, Now M3 will be 2 minus 0. Okay, M3 will be, as you can see, M31 will be 2 minus 0, which means just 2. Now 32 will be minus of 2 minus 6. This means minus 8, and we have already minus sign, so this means just 8. Okay, now 3 0 minus minus 3, this means just 3, so you will have 3. Simple. So adjoint of A will be this, what? So A11, A12, A13, 0 11 0. Now 3 1 minus 1. Now 2 8 3. This will be your adjoint. Now what you have to do, just multiply. So I am directly multiplying by just here. So this thing, what I am doing, so this going to multiply with this, you will have, I'm writing here, so let me use different color. So you will get what? 1 multiplied 0. Okay, minus 11. This entry will be minus 11. Now what? Okay, minus 11. Now multiplying with this. 3 minus 1 minus 2. This means 0. Now multiplying with this. 2 minus 8 6. This will be 8 minus 8 means 0. Now 0 0. Okay, this going to multiply with this. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, you will have 0. Okay, now this going to multiply with this. 9 0 and what? 9 0. Okay, 9 0 and plus 2. 9 0 plus 2. This will be what? As you can see, 11. Okay, this will be 11. Now what? Now this going to multiply with this. 6 0 minus 6 will give me 0. Okay, now going to multiply with this. 0 0 0. Okay, 3 0 minus 3 means 0. 2 0. Okay, and 9 means 11. 2 0 and 9 means 11. Clear? Okay, let me just once again evaluate this entry. What if I'm making any mistake? Okay, so this going to multiply with this. So this is 0 minus 11 plus 0. Yes, we are getting this thing. Now I'm going to multiply with this and this. Just 9 plus 0 plus 2. Yes, okay, everything is fine, I think. Let me just move to another. Now what? Now I'll be finding this adjoint of A multiply A. Okay, this will be this thing I am writing over here, adjoint of A times A. Now this going to multiply with this thing. You will have 0 9 and 2. Okay, 0 9 and 2, you will get 11. Okay, so far so good. Clear? I think that this entry, what entry? Okay, that this entry, this multiplying with this entry is not minus 11. I am just doing some mistake over somewhere here. Okay, let me just see. So this entry is what? M A12. Yes, A12. Let me just evaluate A12 once again. So A12 means minus M12. Minus M12 means eliminate first row and second column. So this will be 9. 9 minus of minus 2 means 11. And this will minus 11. Okay, I forgot to apply minus thing over here. Okay, so please be careful with that. So yes, it will be minus 11. So if it is minus 11, then okay, if it is minus 11, then let me just once again, I have to once again evaluate it. Sorry for the inconvenience. So let me just once again find this thing, adjoint A multiply with adjoint A. So this going to multiply with this. Now 1, 11, so 0 plus 11 plus 0. Okay, so far so good. 3 minus 3, sorry, like this. The multiplication will be like this. Okay, so okay, now this. So 3 minus 3 and 3. Okay, 3 minus 1. So this will going to multiply with this. Minus 1 multiplying with this, 2 multiplying with minus 2. So this will be 0. Okay, so 0, already 0. Going to multiply with this. 2 minus 8 plus 6 means still 0. Okay, correct. Now this. Okay, okay. 0, 0, 0. Okay, correct. Now going to multiply with this. 9, 0 plus 2, 11. Okay. Now multiplying with this. 6, 0 minus 6, 0. Okay, correct. Now the last. 0, 0, 0. Correct. Now for this. 3, 0 minus 3. Okay, 0. Correct. Now for this. 2, 0, 9, 11. Okay, correct. Now I'm getting correct form. Okay, so you saw how we made a mistake over here, and that thing was messing with us. Okay, now just find the adjoint A multiply with A. Okay, let us find that. Okay, so this means now multiplication will be like in this way. Okay, so 0 with 1, 0, 3 with 3, 9, 2. This will give me 11. Now this going to multiply with this. This means minus, sorry, 0 with this, and so 0, it will give me 0. Now multiply with this. 0 minus 6 plus 6 will give me 0. Okay, simple. Okay, now this row going to multiply with this. So minus 11 plus 3 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 minus 11 will give you 0. Now multiply with this. So minus 11 and 1, minus 1 will give me plus this thing, and other entries will be 0. Now for this, minus 22, minus 2 plus 24. As you can see, minus 24 plus 24 will give you 0. 0. Okay, clear? Now the third row will going to multiply with this column. You will have 0 minus 3 plus 3 means 0. Now multiply with this. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0, everything 0. Now for this, 0 plus 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 plus 9. This will be 11. As you can see, adjoint of A multiply with A and A multiply with the adjoint of A, both matrix, the output will be same, as you can see. And now what? First of all, find determinant of A. Determinant of A, I'll be finding using what? A11, A11 plus A12, A12 plus A13, A13. Okay, because I have already have these things. So, but here I am not using A11. I will be using this column. Why? Because I am having maximum zeros over here. So this will be what? A21, A31, sorry, second column we are having. So first row, second column, second row, second column, and third row, second column. So this means A12, A22, and A32, like this. So A12 will be what? As you can see, minus of 1, and A22 is 0, A32 is also 0. So these will be vanished, become 0. Now your matrix determinant will be minus of A12, and A12 is this, which is minus 11, means minus of 11, you will have 11. So determinant of A is 11, and determinant A multiply with I will give you this thing. Okay, 0 0 this, which is, so you evaluated every each term, these three terms, and you got the same answer, so they are equivalent, you verified it. Clear? So please be careful with the minors and cofactors, okay, with the signs. Okay, so let us move to next problem. Now we have to find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists. Okay, so if it exists means we have to first of all find that my determinant is 0 or not. If it is 0, then you cannot find your inverse. Why? Because it will be not invertible. If it is non-zero, then only you can find your inverse. Okay, let us find the first of all determinant of A. So determinant of A, as you can see, this 6 minus of minus 8 is, as you can see, will be what? Your 6 plus 8 means 14. Okay, 6 plus 8 means 14. So your determinant is non-zero, means inverse exists. Now we will find inverse. So A inverse will be 1 by determinant of A multiplied with adjoint of A. You know determinant is 1 by 14. Sorry, determinant of A is just 14. So 1 by 14. Adjoint of A you can directly know. Just replace, sorry, interchange the entries of main diagonal. So 3, 2, and put minus sign to the remaining ones. Like this. You will get your A inverse. So A inverse is 3 by 14. 2 by 14 means 1 by 7. This means minus 2 by 7, and this means 1 by 7. This will be your A inverse. Okay. Clear? This will be what? Your A inverse. Okay. Let us move to the next problem. Problem number 6. It's quite simple. A. Find the determinant. Determinant of A will be just multiply with this. What you will get? Minus of multiply with this. What you will have? Minus of 15. This will be minus 2 plus 15 means 13 plus 13. So determinant is non-zero, means inverse exists. So A inverse will be 1 by determinant of A multiply with adjoint of A. As you know, determinant is 1 by 13. Determinant of A is 13. So 1 by determinant A will be 1 by 13 multiply adjoint. Adjoint means just interchange the main diagonal positions. So 2 minus 1 and put minus sign to the remaining entries. You will get your inverse. So 2 by 13 minus 5 by 13, 3 by 13 minus 1 by 13. Okay, this will be your inverse. If you want to verify it, please do verify. So let us just verify. So by multiplying with A, I must get identity matrix. So let us see. So this is going to multiply with this. So minus 2 by 13 plus 15 by 13, 15 by 13. This will give you 13 by 13 means 1. Okay, now going to multiply with this. Now 5 by 13 minus 5 by 13 will give you 0. Now this is going to multiply with this. Minus 6 by 13 plus 6 by 13 will give you 0. And finally for this you will have 15 by 13 minus 2 by 13 will give you 1. Indeed, you are getting this identity matrix of order 2. So this means you got your answer correct. Okay, clear? Okay, let us move to the next problem. Problem number 7. So for this, quickly let us find the determinant of A. Determinant, I'll be expanding determinant of A using this column, as we are having maximum zeros over here. So what? So first of all, find the signs. So signs will be plus minus plus. Yes, as you can see, 1 1. This will be 2 1 even. Sorry, odd position. This is 3 1 means even. Okay, so plus 1 0 0 will be eliminated. Now eliminate this. You will have this. So 5 10. So 10. Determinant will be 10 means non-zero. Non-zero means you can directly find your what? As it is non-zero means non-singular. Non-singular matrix will be invertible matrix means A inverse exists. A inverse will be 1 by determinant A adjoint of A. Okay, determinant is 1 by 10. So determinant A is just 10. So this 1 by A, determinant A will be 1 by 10. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is just nothing but A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now what? A11. Let me just first of all give signs. A11 means minus. Sorry, 11 means plus. Now plus this position is 1 2 means odd, minus 1 3 1 3 means plus, so 1 2 1 3. Now minus plus minus M21 M22 M23. Now 3 1 means plus, minus, plus. Okay, the signs must be alternative. As you can see, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So in this way you cannot get confused. 3 2 3 3. Okay, now what? M11, just eliminate this. What you will left with? 10. Okay, just 10. Okay, now M12, eliminate these. You will left with 0 0. Now first row, third column. Okay, 0 0 0. Okay, let me. Okay, 0. Clear? Okay, now second row, first column. Now 10, minus of 10. Okay, okay, clear? Okay, now 2 2, eliminate these. So 5. Okay, 5. Now eliminate what? Eliminate second row, third column. Yes, second row, third column. 0 0 0. Clear? Okay, now third row, first column. 8 8 minus 6 means 2. Okay, 8 minus 6 means 2 2. Now third row, second column. Third row, second column. 4 minus 0 means 4, means minus 4. Okay, 3 3, eliminate this. So 2 minus 0, just 2. So this will be, so your A inverse will be of this form, as you can see. Okay, so please verify it. I hope that we got the correct answer and didn't make any mistake. So we will be stopping here, and we will be back soon with the remaining problem of this exercise 4.4. Okay, chapter determinants. So thank you all.